Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios and we're giving you a tour of the SOL Harbor development in Ocho Rios. Completely sold out. And we are going to talk about the real estate on the north coast doing so much better than the real estate on the south coast. When you drive on the north coast of Jamaica and then you drive on the south coast, it's as if you're driving in two different countries. Now, on the north coast, areas like Ocho Rios, Miami Bay, Draxall, Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, Trelawney, Montego Bay, Negril, booming with developments. And they do so well. It's as if the diaspora, Jamaicans living in the US, Canada, or UK, they can't get enough homes to buy on the north coast. While the developments on the south coast, although they're very nice, are not being sold out. There is little interest in those are not as much interest in those developments as the ones on the north coast. Though China Harbor Engineering Company Emerald Roaring Bay development in Miami Bay sold out probably the first day it went on the market. This one we're looking at sold out. Runaway Bay, Draxall, Richmond Estate, all those areas sold out. Now look on the south coast. You have the Vista, very nice apartment building in Mandeville. It's not sold out. Now if that exact same building was built in Miami Bay, it would have been sold out already. Look at the Suncoast Beach Club, a massive development in St. Thomas. I'm not sure if it has completely stopped or they have just slowed down, but if that development was put on the north coast, it would have been sold out already. Can you imagine a development like that in Draxall or Richmond or Runaway Bay, Discovery? It would have been sold out. Very nice homes. Look at that one in White House Beach Club. Very nice development. I think that development might be even nicer than some you find on the north coast. But it's not sold out. And if you had put that exact same development on the north coast, Ocho Rios, Trelawney, even Montego Bay, it would have been sold out already. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Jamaica's coastline offers two very different lifestyles. The north coast, home to Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, Negril, and Discovery Bay, and the south coast, which features Treasure Beach, Black River, and other quieter communities. While both regions have their appeal, the north coast has proven to be the stronger choice for home ownership, investment, and long-term financial growth. The north coast dominates Jamaica's tourism industry, attracting over 70% of all international visitors. Popular attractions like Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, and Doctor's Cave Beach make the region a magnet for travelers. As a result, homeowners in Montego Bay, Ocho Rios, and Negril benefit from higher short-term rental income through platforms like Airbnb. In contrast, the South Coast tourism model focuses on ecotourism and small boutique resorts. While charming, it attracts fewer international tourists, leading to lower rental yields and reduced property income potential. The North Coast continues to see strong real estate appreciation due to heavy investment and demand from both local and international buyers. Gated communities such as Richmond Estate, Ocean Point, and Golden Eye Villas have become high-value zones, with property prices rising 25 to 40% over the past 5 years. Meanwhile, the South Coast development remains slower, which limits long-term growth in property values. Owning a home on the North Coast comes with superior access and modern infrastructure. Highway 2000 North-South Link connects Kingston to Ocho Rios in under 90 minutes. Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay is the island's busiest, offering direct flights from the US, Canada, and Europe. Cruise ship terminals in Montego Bay, Falmouth, and Ocho Rios bring thousands of visitors every week. In contrast, the South Coast has fewer highways, limited airport access, and smaller scale developments, making it less attractive for investors and frequent travelers. The North Coast offers a modern luxury lifestyle that appeals to returning residents, retirees, and foreign investors, while the South Coast offers a tranquility and scenic beauty. It lacks many of these upscale conveniences, which limits its attractiveness for luxury ownership. Owning a home on Jamaica's North Coast offers significant advantages over the South Coast. Higher rental income from steady tourist demand, faster property value growth due to heavy investment, better infrastructure and easier travel access, upscale lifestyle opportunities with modern amenities, and more government and private sector developments. For buyers seeking financial returns, convenience, and vibrant living, the North Coast is Jamaica's premier real estate market. The South Coast, while beautiful and peaceful, remains better suited for those seeking a slower, eco-focused lifestyle rather than high-value growth. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.